Federal prosecutors in Maryland could be getting much more involved in cases involving the deadly opioid fentanyl. On Wednesday, the U.S. Attorney for Maryland, Robert Hur, announced that any drug arrest in Baltimore that involves fentanyl will be reviewed to see whether it should be prosecuted in federal court instead of the state court system.
All of us have committed ourselves to this effort in order to bring federal law enforcement resources and statutes to bear on those individuals that pose the greatest threat to our communities through the distribution of fentanyl on our streets.
Fentanyl is 50 times more powerful than heroin. It's often mixed with that drug, and it was linked to nearly 30% of all overdoses from the year 2016. People charged with federal drug distribution crimes face much longer prison sentences with no parole. The initiative's already resulted, by the way, in 3 federal indictments.